Hi, I'm Miss Jess from Jamie the Tutor with your tip and trick of the month. What is balanced literacy, guided reading, structured literacy? Guided reading is a well-known part of balanced literacy. It is mainly used in schools across the nation, and students are taught to focus on cues, such as looking at pictures and guessing the words on the page. In balanced literacy, phonics may be taught, but lessons are short and there isn't always a sequence to follow and make sure that students retain those sounds. On the other hand, when using a structured literacy program, students are taught using phonics and sounds. It is delivered in a multisensory fashion where students learn to break apart words by sounds and blending them back together. So there's no need to guess words. Why is using a structured literacy program more effective when teaching students to read? Well, using a structured literacy program with Orton-Gillingham methodologies are evidence-based and way more effective because students are learning the rules of the English language, which in turn gives your child the ability to understand why the words make those sounds and can ultimately help with reading comprehension. That is our tip and trick of the month for Jamie the Tutor. I'm Miss Jess, hoping you have a great day.